So good morning everyone. Today I will talk about how to practice English at your home because English communication is most important for all of you. So hey guys, today I will talk about how to improve about yourself and how to improve English communication because I told already how to improve English communication because English communication is most important for all of you because I am not saying that English communication is most important for all of you. By the way, realize about yourself why is mandatory and why is need a learn English communication at this time. Without English communication, you can't do anything whatever you want in the society. So it is most important for all of you because I am making for all of you because I am telling for all of you that English communication is most important for all of you. You should learn it. Without English communication, you cannot connect the each other. So English communication is most important for all of you. So hey guys, my main point is how to practice English at your home without teacher and without friend and without colleagues. By the way, if you think one day I can speak the fluency English, so first of all you should take the immediately decision behind your future because without do hard work you can't do it. You can also say the English communication is a demand a lot of sacrifice behind your future. The so many students are telling me, sir, what all will sacrifice for improving English communication. You can also say you do not waste your time and by the way you do not waste your time and you will do hard work during the study and first of all you should complete the vocabulary English grammar. Without completing vocabulary English grammar you cannot speak the fluent English because this is my personal experience. So if you thinking one day I can speak the fluency English, so then first of all you should complete of the 12 sentence. Without completing of the 12 sentence you can't speak the fluency English. So first of all you will identify what is identify of percent of indefinite and where use of do and does and where use of will have should can etc. So first of all you will complete 12 sentence. Without 12 sentence it is possible for everyone because I am not saying that by the way if you are learning without 12 sentence English communication so you feel the English communication is much difficult for all of you. So first of all you should complete the 12 sentence. Without completing of 12 sentence you can't speak the fluency English because the so many student the so many student at these times has been completed 12 sentence then all then can't speak the fluency English right now. So first of all you should complete the 12 sentences and by the way the so many students are telling me, sir, after completing the 12 sentence definitely one day can speak the fluency English. No, first of all practice is most important for all of you. By the way if you don't by the if don't practice either every day so definitely you can't speak the fluency English because the English communication is demand the practice. Without practice you can't speak the fluency English. So first of all after completing the 12 sentences you do practice every day so that you can speak the fluency English. Your mind is a Hindi medium. So you imagine about yourself how to change your thought in English communication and the student who thought change the English communication that is very easy for all of you. So you can do it and you can speak the fluency English. By the way your mind used to think only properly Hindi medium so your mind cannot recall the English communication. So as soon as you will complete the 12 sentence and you do a lot of practice in your life, definitely your mind one day change it. You can also say your mind one day will change it. So first of all, so by the way, if you want one day can speak the fluent English, so first of all you will follow it. Without this method you can't speak the fluent English. And let's talk about routine. My main point is how to practice in how to practice English at your home, because first of all, so you realize yourself what all do you do throughout the day. First of all, so you will speak in English your routine, because your routine is very sufficient for improving your English communication. So it is very mandatory for all of you. If you speak about your daily routine in English every day, it is very harmful for improving English communication. So this is very sufficient for all of you. So I am hoping for all of you that everyone will do hard work till today, so you can do anything whatever he want in the society, because this is my opinion. So the so many students telling me, sir, how to introduce about your routine, because sir, I can't do it. So first of all, what all do you do throughout the day? Imagine yourself, the so many students are fraud and wasting the time every day, so you can't do it, because the time is very expensive for all of the student who wasting the time every day. The time is destroy one day. So first of all, you can also say the time is a very golden opportunity for all of you. So you will take the time positive direction, and you should a lot practice behind your future and behind your communication, so that you can fulfill your dream. By the way, if you are thinking the English communication is a very easy long base, because like the however the English communication is a very fantastic long base. So by the way, if you do practice every day, so you can do it. Without practice you can't do it. So first of all you will introduce about your routine, what all do you do throughout the day, such as by the way, such let's supposing me and introduce about myself. So the so many student telling me my name is and I belong here, and at the time I am preparing etc, because this is not sufficient for improving your English communication. Sufficient is how to introduce about your routine, daily routine. Without introducing in English your daily routine, your mind cannot change in properly English communication, because your mind is observing your mind is observing which type of work do you must time every day. So by the way, if you want one day can speak the French English, so first of all you will introduce in English your daily routine, such as I wake up at 4 p.m. and after waking and get out bed, I brush my teeth and take the bath, and after the bathing, and you can also say after completing this work I go to my study room and I pick up the some most important books. Especially after doing this work I am go to my study rooms and pick up the dictionary and memorize the some most important difficult dictionary word, because in the morning the when you wake up and out of the bed your mind is very clear. Then you study anything, your mind is catch immediately. So by the way, supposing you are study throughout the day without in morning, so you cannot memorize the some difficult word meaning, such as dictionary etc. So you can also say you you must study in morning, so that you can understood and you can learn a very easy way dictionary and etc. You will do hard work in the morning. By the way, do not matters how by the way do not matters how much do you hard work in the day, but matter is what are you teach one day. So this is a matters, no matters what all are you doing throughout the day etc. The matter is what all learn one day. So this is a matters. So hey guys, as far as I know, so everyone has been understood about these topics, how to improve English communication and what to practice English at your home. By the way, if you have no good teachers, because the so many students are telling me, sir, if I have not a good teacher either and is good no good and is friend etc. Because you are very sufficient for your improving English communication, because first of all you trust about yourself. You definitely one day you can't do it. Without trusting about yourself you can't do it. So hey friends, here's I want finish this video. Thank you very much, very interesting. By the way, if you are learning something through this video, so first of all like and subscribe this channel, so that I can create the different types of video on these channels, so that you can understood about this topic, how to improve about yourself and how to develop about your communication and how to control about your mind etc. Because the so many types of videos has uploaded already on this channel. So thank you very much, very interesting.